In this video, we will see how to use date and time tool in Alteryx. As the name says, you will be getting date as well as time. So I have created a new workflow 2.10 and you can see in the in and out tab, I have this date and time tool. I can simply drag this date and time into the canvas. Once I drag and drop, I'll be getting only one configuration option here, that is output format. I can click on this drop down and choose different output format like DDMM, MMDD, DDMMYY, etc. So let us see, I'll keep it default and click on run. Once I execute, you can see I'm getting here the exact date and time when I'm recording today, that is there. If you're using on your laptop or your machine, your system date and time would be displayed there. Let us see one more example. I can click on output format, select the MMDDYY and also the time. If I click on run, and now if you observe, I'll be getting date as well as time in Alteryx. So I hope you have understood how to use date and time tool in Alteryx. That's all for this video.